With the roof and gutter guys, you don't have to worry about being sold work that you don't need.
As a service repair company, we specialize in repairing your investment. Whether it's getting a bid for budgets or a work order for a quick turnaround, we got you covered.
With our streamlined communication and 5 to 7 day turnaround, we're there with the expertise and equipment to get the job done right the first time.
Unlike other exterior companies that claim to be repair companies, we are licensed, insured. Our guys are actual roofers that understand the scope of work, the job, and what it takes to do the repair from top to bottom.
With visual bids and step-by-step descriptions on how we completed the repair, you know what's going on with your property every step of the way.
And that's what I created, and that's what we do. We do this for you.
So whether you need new gutters,
A leak repair on a flat roof,
Inspection after the storm.
A bid for work on 100 buildings.
Or details on work we did 5 years ago, we've got you covered.
We got you covered.
we've got you covered.
we've got you covered.
The Roof and Gutter Guys, professional quality solutions made easy.